Hey everyone, is your garden still stuck in the past? What if I told you that by 2025, your backyard could look like it's straight out of a futuristic design magazine? Sleek, sustainable, and so stylish it'll make your neighbors jealous? Today we're breaking down 5 jaw-dropping landscaping trends that'll transform your outdoor space into a modern masterpiece. Stick around because trend number 3 will completely change how you think about gardening. Welcome back. I'm John, and if you're ready to ditch outdated garden designs and embrace the future of landscaping, you're in the right place. By 2025, gardens aren't just about flowers and shrubs. They're about smart technology, bold aesthetics, and creating spaces that work for you, not against you. In this video, you'll learn how to turn your yard into a minimalist sanctuary without sacrificing personality. Use cutting-edge tech to keep your garden thriving effortlessly. And design an outdoor space so functional, you'll want to live in it. Let's get started. Trend number 1. Minimalist Zen meets futuristic flair. Let's kick things off with minimalist design, but with a twist. Think of your garden as the sleek, high-tech cousin of a traditional Zen space. In 2025, it's all about clean lines, geometric shapes, and a monochromatic palette. Picture sculptural plants like agave or snake plants paired with gravel pathways and a single striking focal point, like a polished concrete water feature. Start by decluttering. Replace overgrown flower beds with one bold statement plant and use materials like gravel or poured concrete to create breathing room. Less clutter, more impact. Now, if you think minimalism is cool, wait until you see how tech is revolutionizing gardening. Trend number 2. Smart gardens that work for you. Meet my friend Sarah. She used to have a black thumb until she discovered smart gardening tech. In 2025, gardens are getting smarter. We're talking soil sensors that alert your phone when plants need water, solar-powered lighting that adapts to the time of day, and even robotic lawnmowers that handle the grunt work. Invest in a smart irrigation system. It saves water, reduces waste, and ensures your plants stay healthy. Bonus, install app-controlled lights to set the mood without lifting a finger. But what if your style is more moody and dramatic than sleek and techy? Let's dive into trend number 3. Dark, moody palettes for drama. Move over pastels. 2025 is all about deep, rich colors. Imagine a garden that feels like a scene from a noir film. Black mulch, burgundy foliage, and charcoal gray planters. My friend Jake transformed his bland backyard into a Gothic paradise using black mondo grass and purple-leafed heucheras. The result? A space that's equal parts mysterious and mesmerizing. Add drama with dark foliage plants like black coral bells or purple smokebush. Pair them with metallic accents like copper pots or silver trellises for contrast. Of course, no modern garden is complete without sustainability. But forget the crunchy, rustic look. Here's how to go green and chic. Trend number 4, sustainable design that looks. Lux, sustainability in 2025 isn't about sacrificing style. Think recycled composite decking that mimics high-end wood, rain gardens that filter runoff while looking like a tropical retreat, and native plant walls that attract pollinators without constant upkeep. Swap thirsty grass for drought-tolerant clover or sedge lawns. Always choose native plants. They're low maintenance and eco-friendly. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate trend. Gardens that double as functional living spaces. Trend number 5. Outdoor rooms for living, not just looking. Your garden isn't just for admiring anymore. It's an extension of your home. Picture modular seating for hosting friends, a built-in pizza oven that rivals your kitchen stove, and a fire pit for cozy nights under the stars. My cousin turned her tiny patio into an outdoor studio complete with a workspace and movie screen. Divide your garden into zones: dining, lounging, cooking, using pavers or rugs. Add weather-resistant furniture and a fire feature to create a year-round hangout spot. Conclusion. Let's recap. By 2025, your garden should be minimalist, tech-savvy, moody, sustainable, and multifunctional. Pick one trend to try this weekend, even something small like planting dark foliage or installing a smart irrigation timer. and watch your space transform. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge gardening tips, and let me know in the comments. Which trend are you most excited to try? And if you're itching for more inspiration, check out my video on small space gardening hacks linked below. Thanks for watching. Go out there and make your garden the envy of the neighborhood.